Computing, we understand performance as the measurement or quantification of the result which a task or process is carried out. Computer, its performance does not depend only on the microprocessor as is often thought, but on the sum of their components, their software, and their configurations. Performance measurement can be user-oriented or system-oriented. The following measurements are considered as random variables in the simulation study. Response time is the time that elapses from the delivery of the work until it returns to the user. System reaction time is the time that elapses from the order that is given until it begins to be executed.
Benchmark online. They are applications that are used to know the operating speed and performance of a processor while delivering programs for it through the web browser. In addition, they are very light programs inside, since some of them have to execute from the processor cache, and this has a few megabytes inside. So it's a way of time to download and install. Then we have the capacity to execute them directly and very short time thanks to current internet speed.
There are some factors that can affect the performance of a computer, such as have many files, downloads, and programs on the desktop. 2 is like when malicious software that attaches itself to your computer in various ways to advertise, monitor your behavior on the internet, or collect personal information. Also, when you run out of space, thanks to the cache, which are bits on the web pages, lives on your computer.
Good and bad performance. Some signs of a good performance can be the short response times for a given piece of work, high rate of processing work, low utilization of the computer resources, fast data compression, high availability of the computing system, high bandwidth, and short data transmission time, among others. While some signs of a bad performance would be problems with the software operating system or the driver, high working temperatures that start to cause stability problems that affect the key parts of the system, slow response times, constant crashes and freezes, and in laptops, a sign of a bad performance would be the fast or quick power loss, which creates the dependency or the necessity of being constantly connected to a power source.
What are the criteria to evaluate the performance of a PC? Well, I will tell you 3 of them. First, response time. Is the total amount of time it takes to respond a request of service. That can be in any unit of work, from a simple disk to loading a complex web page. It's the sum of 3 numbers: the service time, wait time, and transmission time. Second criteria, we'll talk about availability. That is typically measured as a factor of its reliability. As reliability increases, so does the availability. In simple words, is the ability to work in any time given. And third, to finish, latency. That is the time delay between the cause and effect of some physical changes in the system being observed.
Finally, we'll be seeing how to check the computing performance. First, press the Windows button. Then, open the Task Manager. You can do so by clicking on the search icon located on your taskbar and typing Task Manager. Once the Task Manager is open, we click on the lower left-hand side where it says More Details. Next, under the Process options, we'll be able to appreciate a menu that shows the names, status as will be show CPU, memory, DAS, and network usage percent. This will show you the computing performance when running a certain program. For example, we can see Google Chrome, Brave, Opera, Microsoft, and see in details the bit or megabyte.